Good morning, traders. So this is your DAX daily review, and using the Bull-Williams alligator, or the Bull-Williams theory. If you're not familiar with the Bull-Williams theory, just look in the comments below. You'll see a link to the Bull-Williams videos, which will help you understand the theory. So the daily has given us sort of, I don't know what to call it, probably let's refer to as an inside bar, but there wasn't really much net movement yesterday, typical for a Monday on the DAX. But we do have a potential double top here. Now, obviously, we'd need a break below the swing low here, which is 11,856, in order to validate that. So oscillator is also giving us a double top, and we are getting some momentum that's dying over the last 4 days, but nothing really concrete. So this could really just be gathering itself for another move to the upside. If we look at the 4 hour, this is really a messy chart. You can see lots of sellers stepping over the top here, and there are buyers coming in. Okay, but the last, what's that, 1, 2, 3, the last 4 hour bars, really no movement at all. 47 point total. Okay, if we look at the oscillator here, you can see there is a massive problem brewing here. And more importantly, look at the diversions here on the awesome oscillator. Okay, so we had lots of momentum into this, died off, try to get going again, but key thing here is high, lower high, high, high. Okay, so I suspect that this level is going to hold. We may get a little false break above it, and I think the best thing to do is just have a look what else would be up there. There it is there. Okay, so I'm still of the opinion we're looking for a short entry, and it's 12,100 for me. That is my short entry. This to me is really just slowly ambering up, and I have a feeling 12,100 is the area where your sellers are waiting at the moment on the DAX. Okay. So I don't think there's anything more in the 4 hour that we can look at. We are so close to this level that I'm really not interested in chasing longs up to it. Well, it's about 67 points. So I'm definitely looking for a short at 12,100. Yeah, 12,100 short with a 50-point stop loss. And what I'm anticipating is either a double top to play out, or even a pullback back down to the bottom of the range. Which is a reasonable 240-point trade. Okay, and there's also a gap down here, which is a magnet, and there's a gap further down as well. If I'm not mistaken, there was another one over here, which is also still open. Okay, anyway, let's just get down to level we can trade today, which is the 1 hour. And you can see, I mean, yesterday was pretty much nothing brewing. We are above the alligator. Momentum is drying up. You can see how the awesome oscillator is moving to the downside. You can see we did have some diversions here. And we have sort of I suppose what you're looking for is a break of that mini trend. If you can get a break below that mini trend, that's going to really set things in motion for us. One thing to bear in mind is that could be a breakout of this triangle. Okay, and if that is a breakout of the triangle, then it doesn't quite get us up to there. So anyway, I'm just very skeptical of taking that long at the moment. So the best thing to do is just have a look at the half hour and pick up these fractals on the half hour. So those are your levels you're looking for. That fractal is broken. So we may still be ending to the upside, and this fractal here is the one you're looking for a breakout below. Okay, but this awesome oscillator doing what it's doing at the moment, moving to the downside of our prices, moving sideways like this, is not a very positive signal for me. And just looking at what happened yesterday and sort of half of Friday, there's a lot of confusion here. Okay, a lot of buyers and sellers are almost in equilibrium here. Okay, so technically we are in an upward trend. We should be looking for longs. but because of the fact that this level is so close, I'm a little bit cautious because you may find people ambushing you before it gets to this level and then driving price down. Okay, so I think for me today, it's wait and see what happens at the open. I am looking for a short, and I'm quite prepared putting my short in up here, 12,100, and that's the sure bet trade that I'm looking at. The rest of the stuff that's going on at the moment, I'm not too comfortable with what I see. And I think if we just take this inside tail here, that's our range. And then that's the bottom of the range. So we are pretty much in a range at the moment. Could be a bit of a wedge or channel breakout for a move to the upside. If we just put that line back in, so that could be a channel break. And if we work according to that, that would give us still a move. That doesn't really give us anything. Okay, there we go. And quite a bit of confusion here. So we could be moving to the upside, or we could just bounce off this level again and start moving down. Okay, my first preference is obviously a short at 12,100, and I think until that point I will wait patiently to see what happens. Okay, so I'm not going to be trading a DAX today, just wait and watch and see what happens, but that's a setup I'm looking for. I'm looking for a little bit more gains and then looking for a short entry at 12,100. Anyway guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and I will catch you later. Cheers for now.